Hey everyone, welcome back to LearnWeb Academy. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most important parts of Elementor, the layout, style and advanced tabs. These three tabs control 90% of your design work, so understanding them will make you a professional Elementor user. Let's get started. Most beginners struggle because they don't understand what each setting does. But after this video, you will be able to design clean, modern and professional sections with confidence. When you select a container or any widget in Elementor, you will always see the three tabs: Layout, Style and Advanced tabs. These tabs are universal and control how every element behaves and looks. Starting with the Layout tab. The Container Layout tab controls the structure of your elements, like its size, direction, alignment, and spacing. This was for container. Different widgets have different controls. Let's see content width. This is box, and we have option for full width as well. On the box, you can adjust the size of it on these parameters. Let's go for percentage and let's go for a 50%, so you can see the size of it as 50%. If you want a full width container, so you can go for full width by choosing this option. You can also control its height from this option, and you have also option to change the parameter of it. You can go for pixel, rem or viewport height. Currently it is at 357 pixels. This justify content is for vertical alignment. You can choose for start, that means top, and then you have option for center, and then you have option for end, that this means end bottom. If you need space between the elements, so you can choose this, but on the top and on the end you will not have any space left. But if you will choose for this space around, you will have some spaces on the start and on the end, and on when you will choose this space evenly, so this will divide your spaces between the elements and the start of and end of the elements. This is where you can change its gap or space between the elements. Now let's go for the Style tab. The Style tab controls how your element looks like: colors, backgrounds, typography, borders, shadows and spacing. Background type. You have option for solid color, gradient, video and slideshow, where you can add images as well. You will also have option for background overlay, where you can add the solid color and gradient. And then you have the option of border, where you can change the border type and border width, border radius and the border color. You also have shape divider over here. And as I said earlier, different widget on the Elementor has different style. So maybe if I want to choose this heading, I will have different content, different style and different advanced settings. Let's go to Advanced tab. This is where you can change the margin, padding, alignment, order, size, positioning and the index. And you can also add here CSS ID, CSS classes, motion effects like scrolling effect, mouse effects, and if you want to stick it, you can also do that from there. And if you need animations, so you can also do that here. And then you have option for transformation, and then responsiveness, and then attributes if you want to add, and custom CSS. Note that this custom CSS is only available for the Pro plugin. That means if you have installed Elementor Pro, then only you can access it. If you don't have Elementor Pro, so you can check the description. I have already put a link, using which you can buy it for the cheap price. Common mistakes beginners make: using margin instead of padding everywhere, not aligning items using flexbox controls, overusing animations, changing font sizes without adjusting line height, forgetting to check mobile and tablet styling. Quick recap: Layout tab is structure, Style tab is visual design, Advanced tab is for motion, spacing, and responsive control. Mastering these three tabs will make your Elementor workflow smooth and professional. And that's your complete guide to Elementor's layout, style, and advanced tabs. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to LearnWeb Academy, and hit the bell icon.